You don't like her?
No.
Oh, just leave. Girl, you pretty girl, just leave right now. He doesn't like you.
I've got a boyfriend anyway.
Then what are you doing with him?
We're friends.
He's my best friend.
Okay. Arey, best friend, brother, tell me this thing. Why all of you, like you best friend, why is she like this with you? When she has a boyfriend, she has another man in her life, then what the f are you doing with her?
Control.
I feel like scratching you. I don't know.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो
Why?
You want to scratch me?
Yeah.
Why do you want to scratch me?
Because that's what I do with my balls.
ये क्या बात हुई यार, ये क्या बात हुई, मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं है, ये क्या